Good evening. My name is Philip Disselcone, Assistant Instructor at Broadway Family Karate. Tonight we're going to look at the back leg round kick. Back leg round kick has a much different look than the side kick. For the side kick, you're kicking with the heel of your foot, but with the round kick, you want to hit with the top of your foot. So let me demonstrate going towards the camera. We're going to start from an L stance, like so. Okay, first thing, let's do a good back leg round kick. I'm going to bring that knee up, pivot, kick, and set the foot down. So make sure you're pointing your toes when you do this kick. So you're kicking with the top of your foot, not with the tips of your toes. So you're going to bring your foot up like this, pivot, kick, retract, and then sit down. Do a couple more times. Okay, ready? You're going to bring your knee up, pivot, kick, retract, sit down. Now let me do it from the other side. Get into a good L stance. Okay, fist out front. Okay, bring that back knee up, pivot, kick, set the foot down. Now you notice when I'm doing that kick, I'm pointing my toes. So I'm kicking with the top of my foot. Okay, one more time. Okay, ready? Knee up, pivot, kick, retract, and then sit down. Okay, I'm going to have Mr. Booker assist me in demonstrating the kick. I'll put you over here, Mr. Booker. Okay, so some things we need to think about. Of course, you don't want to be too close to your target, because if you're too close, you're going to hit with the top of your shin. You don't want to hit there. You want to have a good distance, so when you actually do the kick, you're kicking with the top of the foot. Okay, so let me demonstrate this a few times. Starting from an L stance. I'm going to bring that knee up, pivot, kick, top of the foot, sit down. Of course, you also don't want to be too far away where you're actually trying to reach for it and you have your toes. You want to hit the top of the foot. So, knee up, pivot, kick, retract, set down. And one more time. Knee up, pivot, kick, retract, sit down. Okay, thank you, Mr. Booker. As in all kicks, you don't want to leave your foot out there. After you do the kick, you want to retract, get that leg back in so nobody can grab it. Really focus on hitting with the top of the foot right there. And that's the back leg round kick.